Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and my too small, disastrously messy garage. So the last video that you will have seen on the channel, if you haven't seen it yet, we'll put it up here for you, is the Maggy the Moggy and the broken axle. So as you will have seen, we repaired that, put it all back together, and I can report she's running and driving beautifully again and a little bit quieter. So I think it required a service, which is good. So that's all done. However, a guy called Hobby Lofty pointed out in the comments, so thank you very much for this, that the shock absorber kit was fitted incorrectly. If you picture the back axle, which I'm sure we can insert a picture, they're actually sat like that, whereas they should be more upright and the brackets should be upside down, or are upside down, sorry. So this video is going to be a very quick video in how we, probably just a time lapse to be honest, of how I just rectify that situation. I'm not going to go into detail because I don't really know what I'm doing myself. Just dead quick, brackets off, upside down, back on again, into the right position, fixed, all is good. And because I fitted new handbrake cables at the same time, I broke the bolt on the handbrake cable, so I needed to order some more. So I've got a selection of British standard fine nuts, so I've got a collection now because it was cheaper than ordering one with the postage anyway. So let's get to it and we'll get it done. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, you rusty nuts. Real big shout out to everyone that leaves comments on the videos. It's hugely appreciated. Whether it's positive or negative feedback, we really like to receive it. And when we get comments through that help us out in terms of maintaining the cars and stuff, it's absolutely brilliant. So that support from you guys and the community is excellent. Next video coming up is going to be the Practical Car and Classic show. So really hope you enjoy that when we get the footage up. And if you are enjoying the content, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.